Finding and replacing the text. Sometimes we want to find a specific word or a phrase after typing the document. So, instead of reading the entire document, we can use the Find feature provided by Word 2021. To find a word or phrase, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Find option present in the editing group. 2. Type a word or phrase in the search box. 3. Click on Results in the navigation pane to see it highlighted in the document. Replacing text. After finding the text, we can also replace any word or phrase with an alternate text. To replace a word in Word 2021, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Replace option in the editing group. 2. Enter the text you want to replace in the box. 3. Enter the text you want to replace in the Replace with box. 4. Click on Replace option to replace the first occurrence of the searched word, or click on Replace All option to replace all occurrences of the searched word. 5. Once you have completed the replacements, a dialog box pops up saying, "All done, we made number replacements." 6. Click OK to close the dialog box.